Ferroalloys industry, the quiet strength behind steel. How to begin a ferroalloys business. Did you know steel would not be so strong or long-lasting if it weren't for ferroalloys? From skyscrapers to the rugged body of your vehicle, ferroalloys are behind it. They enhance the strength, toughness, and overall quality of steel. But do people know about this strong industry working behind the scenes? The good news? With careful planning, expertise, and knowledge, you can begin your own ferroalloys business and make a lot of money. Step-by-step guide to starting a ferroalloys business. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to set up your own ferroalloys manufacturing unit. Our team, with more than 30 years of experience, has assisted numerous entrepreneurs in making this dream a reality. Step 1. Conduct market research. Begin by determining what kind of ferroalloy is in strong demand in your area. It might be ferromanganese, ferrosilicon, ferrochrome. Get to know your potential buyers, steel mills, foundries, or even overseas buyers. This assists you in planning production and marketing properly. Step 2. Obtain raw materials and power. Ferroalloys are produced when minerals such as manganese ore or quartzite are heated along with iron at very high temperatures. Therefore, you'll require a reliable source of raw materials, reliable and ample electricity. India has large deposits of manganese, especially in Odisha and Madhya Pradesh, making it a great place to source raw material. Step 3. Setup and machinery. Set up your unit in a recognized industrial area. You'll need electric or submerged arc furnaces, crushers and sieving equipment, pollution control systems. Most entrepreneurs start small and scale up as demand grows. Step 4. Legal approvals and licenses. You must obtain the following: environmental clearance, factory license, safety certifications, MSME, Udyam registration. Better to hire experts to get these legal procedures done properly. Step 5. Selling and marketing. After readying your product, focus on steel manufacturing industries, foundries, export markets. Get your business listed on B2B sites, attend trade fairs, and most importantly, provide consistent quality because trust in this sector comes with performance. Why the market demand is strong. India produces more than 120 million tons of steel annually, and each ton requires ferroalloys. Ferromanganese and ferrosilicon are the most commonly used forms. With schemes from the government such as Make in India, there is increasing demand. Japan, Korea, and many European countries import ferroalloys from India. Evidently, this is an emerging and stable market. Advantages of beginning a ferroalloys business. Steel is utilized everywhere: construction, transport, machinery, and so on. It's a non-seasonal venture. There's work throughout the year. India possesses abundant natural resources and talented manpower, seen as a core industry by the government. Excellent export opportunity with foreign exchange earnings. With initial setup, it is sustainable and growing in the long term. Projected profits. The initial investment varies between 2 crore rupees and 10 crore rupees, depending on the size. Profit margins at the initial stage, 15% to 30%. A small unit can make 50 lakhs rupees to 1 crore rupees annually into 2-3 years. Large units can scale up to 5 crore rupees or more with time and demand. Challenges to bear in mind. As with any enterprise, there are challenges attached to ferroalloys. Power supply. Constant and reliable source of electricity is essential. Quality of raw material. Always keep high-grade inputs to guarantee the strength of your product. Control of pollution. Adhere rigidly to environment laws. Make proper filtration devices. Trained workers. Instruct your labor force, particularly furnace operators, to ensure quality and safety. With proper planning, all of these can be handled effectively. How we can help? If you're ready to start, we are here to help you. Neer Project Consultancy Services, NPCS, has more than 30 years of experience in assisting entrepreneurs like you. We offer detailed project reports, investment and profit analysis, market and supplier analysis, full factory setup guidance, safety and risk management guidance. We'll be with you every step of the way through your business journey. Conclusion: ferro alloys may not be in the news, but they're the unsung strength behind every steel frame. This industry provides stable demand, high export opportunities, solid profits, and room for long-term growth. If you're ready to explore this powerful opportunity, subscribe to our channel and stay connected for more industry insights and business ideas.